Sai first year GDC Nalgonda.
Myself Manula, first year BJC Nalgonda. My name is SK Nasir, first year BJC Nalgonda.
My name is Uma Maheshwari, first BJC.
We are going to present a different topic about identification of anemic students of BDC Nalgonda, causes for their anemic conditions and prevention methods to overcome the problem, the adverse effects of body by anemia, the decreasing of hemoglobin percentage in the blood is known as anemia. The normal range of female is 14 grams per deciliter, as in males 15 grams per deciliter. In this project, we identified the students of GDC Nelakondapalli at the age group of 18 to 20 years. The estimated hemoglobin was tested for the anemic students, and we are asked for their food habits and reasons for their anemic conditions and suggest them to overcome anemia.
Nowadays anemia is a major problem in the rural students. So we have suggested to take care of themselves due to the anemic conditions. Students are prone to different and chronic diseases due to the annual menstrual cycle and pregnancy. So that related diseases causes anemia. So that the main aim of this project is to suggest the best, cheap and best measures to causes of overcome the anemia.
Methodology. The anemic methods collected the samples of all students of BDC Nelakondapalli. We have collected the samples of place of birth. Iron deficiency anemia increasing levels of 50% in our disease anemia. HB is an essential respiratory pigment which supplies oxygen to our body. Less amount of intake of iron in our food leads to anemia. Iron is an essential element to form hemoglobin. Deficiency of iron is that supply of water tissue. Due to the menstrual cycle of pregnancy, bleeding at the end of the delivery leads to anemia in females. Lack of maintenance of biological is also leads to anemia. Due to the blood-related diseases, the body cannot absorb the iron is also one of main causes for anemia. Characters of anemia, the skin, face skin, dryness, etc. Characters of anemia. Identification of identifier. It should see BP complete picture. We can draw measure red cell count, WBC count, hemoglobin platelet count, and hemoglobinist. Prevention methods. Provide iron supplements and lots of folic acid. Vitamin B12 and vitamin C supply. Balancing diet like fish, eggs, leafy vegetables, dry fruits and beetroots, etc. helps in the increasing levels of iron increasing absorption of iron. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron through the intestinal treatment should be taken for ulcers.
So we are suggesting that deficiency or iron leads to anemia and then prone to definite decisions. So these suggestions are given to the students. Should maintain balanced diet. We can take iron, folic acid, vitamin C in the form of supplements of required identification of internal bleeding in the organs in time and consult doctor if needs. Conclusions. We identify the anemia students of GDC Nelakondapalli College, and we also awareness created to all the students regarding anemia, preventions and precautions methods.